Hello, well, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm doing an unboxing today from Lavivid. They've very kindly made me this system and again have cut the hair to my specifications. Inside the box you get this lovely little care card. So my last videos have been about the Nicholas system, and this is the same base, however it is made to my patch size instead. So as you can see, it's got them triangles in the front lace to reinforce the system, and you have that PU around the edges, and the mono in the middle. I find that these are very strong, long-lasting systems. So this is a close-up of the hairline. As you can see, it's very, very natural. To me, lace is really natural looking, and the knots are quite far between each other at the front, and I find that that's the most natural. So here I'm going to cut the lace. I specify that I like to cut the lace myself, just because I'm a bit of a control freak more than anything else. But this is what I do. I go as close to the hairline as I possibly can without cutting any of the hair. Some people don't do it like this, but this is how I do it. I like to have that very faded front hairline. So I find the furthest you go away is the best, if that makes any sense at all. So basically the closest to the hairline that they've made rather than any further back. So it can be a bit fiddly, and you have to be very careful to not cut too far, because nobody wants a wonky hairline. So that's what it looks like after I've cut it. So I will come back to you once I have put this hair system on. Again, I'm not going to get anyone to fit it. I'm going to fit it myself, and I will show exactly how I do it. Thank you so much to Lavivid for sending me the hair, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a very pleasant day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Take care.